start again. It's a rich thing.
Hey guys, my name is Idris and you are watching Globe Crafts, and today I just hacked my life and I'm so sorry about it. I'm so sad about it. But I'm happy about it because I just found a life hack which everyone have seen but no one has tried. तो देखे बहुत जानेंगे लेकिन किसी को ट्राई करने का देना बोलूँगा, तो आज मैं वही करने वाला हूँ. So that is what I'm gonna do. सबसे पहली चीज़ है corn starch. ये corn starch मिलके है. A spoon, a transparent container, some water. This is tap water. Yeah, this is tap water, fresh tap water. So let's hack our life. Alrighty guys, so right here is my water. I'm gonna keep it a bit aside, and firstly I'm gonna put my spoon and my cornstarch. Cornstarch और spoon ले लिए यहाँ पे. तो सबसे पहले मैं ये डालूँगा. चमचे से डालूँगा नहीं, चमचे से कौन माप लेता बैठता रहो. तो सबसे पहले मैं इतना डालूँगा. Put water from the bottom in the cap, and then I'm gonna put that water in this thing.
2 hours later. A few moments later.
I added a lot of water and did a big mistake. Please don't do my mistake. Add a little more. Right guys, now I'm back. So here's our previous result which we got by making it. It's just pure water. So now I got this. I got some more of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clean the spoon. I'm gonna use the spoon to put it. I don't want to take risk. Right? I'm gonna. So here's the result. Now what I'm gonna do, if when I just poke my finger inside and take it out, as you can see, it is liquid, total liquid. You can see it. Now when I take my finger, okay, now I'm gonna just dry it up. Okay, now there's nothing on my finger, can't see it. I'm gonna poke my finger real quick like this. You see it? Nothing happened. You see it? So now I'm gonna put my hand in it, and it's total liquid, as you can see. You see it? It's total liquid. Now if I just do it like this, you see it is turning into a solid. I leave it, turns into liquid.
ठोक लीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ.